What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to get into looking at some of the upcoming vehicles at IAA in Las Vegas coming up this coming week, and see if there's anything interesting or anything that we want to try to maybe just throw a bid on while we're here. So let's get it. Guys, welcome on in. Now, if you guys remember, here recently we did a walk around where we were taking a look at different vehicles. It was one of the walk, what was it, day before yesterday, I believe, and we looked at some of the different trucks and cars and stuff that were out there, and one of them that were there was this 2001 Chevy Silverado, which is a 2500 HD. Now, it clearly had something wrong with the brake system. It does run and drive, all the lights work, and if you didn't get a chance to see it, it had some damage here to this rear door, and I think a couple of nick scratches with dings on the passenger side door, but nothing that, you know, you could replace this door if you really wanted to. I mean, you could literally just drive it the way it is. I mean, if you wanted to make it a work truck, you wouldn't have to change a damn thing. Fix the mechanical issue with the brakes and then just keep it moving. But I would probably pull this out, replace the door, fix, you know, body fill those dings on the other side, and then spray it, you know, make it look nice. And it runs and drives, you know, like I said, the brakes do work. It does stop. It just has that horrible power steering sound, like something's about to blow up when you're running it. So outside of that, that was probably one of the this is probably one of the best ones that are coming up this week, with, you know, 220 or something thousand miles on it. Easily this one being the best of them all this week. We're going to download those photos too, because I want to use that as my thumbnail, probably, at 2500 Duramax. And if you haven't seen the video, you can go back. It's only a few videos back here on the channel if you want to see the walk around, see us start it, get it running, all that good stuff. And there's about 100 different vehicles that are coming up this week. Why did we go into this? That's not what I wanted. We are back in, and we got that 2007 Ford Super Duty. Now, that wasn't available yet. They're running this one through pretty quick. I didn't get a chance to look at that one. The Impala does says it runs and drives, but I remember that car had a rattle to the motor. I would avoid that probably. The 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. That one was what? Flood damaged, right? Let's take a look at this one. Current bid is at $2,500. Oh, it was a livery, a shuttle. Nice. Ooh, it's got the nice seats, the diamond stitch joints. All right. Primary damage is in the rear. I didn't see anything in the rear. Unless it's that and something went up under the van. Huh. With an inoperable dash. I would probably avoid that one, but that's just me. Yeah. We got a 2014 Cadillac CTS. Not bad. What motor does this have? Buy it now is only $11,200. Has 119,000 miles on it. Title Max. Boy, they be getting people, man. Title Max be getting people for their cars, man. Absolute biggest scam, worst company ever is Title Max, man. Screw them. Don't deal with them. Look, if you need money that bad, like, do something else, man. Donate blood. I mean, I get people get into a pinch and all that, but look, man, if you're in a pinch now, you're going to be in a pinch later, and it's not worth your car, especially if you own it. Somebody had the title to this, and they just lost their car over a BS Title Max loan. I hate to see that. We got an '08 Infiniti FX35. And we're just taking a look at some of the highlighted vehicles this week. I'm not going to go through the whole group, guys, but these are just some of the highlighted vehicles this week. Now this one, oh, tell me you've wrecked your car without telling me you've wrecked your car, right? I mean, ouch. Ouch to the ouch, ouch, ouch. Oof. Yeah, that looked like that, you know. They replaced what? The hood, the front clip, and the front clip's already got scuffs on it. The whole front clip, the fender, the hood on that side, that car got smashed. Yeah, nope, I'm good. And it don't light up or do nothing? Oh, nah, nope. That is a negative. What's the miles? Stationary. We don't know what the mileage is. Another Title Max loaned vehicle. I hate that, man. I really hate. It's only worth 500 bucks, they say. You know what's crazy though? This thing will sell for. This thing will probably sell for like 1,500. 2 G's, even where it's not running. I just feel bad. I hate to see people get screwed, man. Title Max is one of the worst companies ever, man. They just take advantage of people and screw people over. We saw that one. Now this is interesting. V6 or V8? Oh, it's got a rebuilt title. Oof. A rebuilt title. And it's another Title Max vehicle with a 3.7. The 3.7 is a horrible engine. Absolutely horrible engine. I mean, it's worse than the 4. The 4.7 is a little better than this, but the 3.7 is absolutely garbage. Straight trash. And it's got 186,000 miles on it? Nah. Nope. Not worth it. Hyundai Sonata, not real. Oof, and it's smashed. Lexus IS, got dings and whatnot. Oh, yep, kid's car. Total loss, theft, huh? So they stole it and then blew it up. 07 Honda Odyssey. Looks like they started to repair this one and then decided to write it off. Huh. '06 Mini Cooper. Missing a whole door, huh? I know my dude Low 702 Builds would probably be all over this one. Carlos, let me know what you think in the comments, man. Snap this one up or no? And it's a manual. 87,000 miles. Cool little Beamer if you didn't know. Ooh. These are BMWs. Like when I can see the pillar all squished in. When I can see the pillar all squished in. On that side, oof. Yeah, that's going to be a lot of hammer work and pulling and stuff to try to get that right. And that's if you can even get a door to close on it when you get it done. You can body fill the rest, I guess. But oof. No, no, no. Negative on that. Clapped out Camry. Oh. Really don't have a lot of miles on it for what it is. Honda Accord. Highlander. Try to find one more good one to check out. I flipped a few of those Kia Rios. Ford Escape. A 435, huh? That's just a regular coupe. It ain't nothing special. Not that bad, though. The coolers and stuff look good. Yeah, fog lamp malfunction. But no check engine light. Oof. I don't like to see that thing wide open like that. Ouch. An Acura. Oh, this is sad. This 650. Oh, is this the one? I posted this on Instagram. I saw this car get hit. This was on my story a while back. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw this. And this guy ran the red light and hit this poor guy right in that fender. Oh, man. If I got time, I got to go by and look at this. I've seen this car because I saw it before, and I was like, my man had like really small tires in the back, and they were real far in the wheel wells, and I was like, that shit looks kind of whack. And evidently, I guess he had like a bad tire and had swapped them out. I stopped and talked to the guy when he got smacked. But yeah, man, I remember seeing this on the road. It was like a Hyundai or something that blew him up too. Went right through the intersection and boom, destroyed this car, man. And it was running around. Secondary damage rollover. It didn't roll over. Unless he got hit so hard it rolled on its side. But I remember when this thing got hit. I remember when that thing got hit right there. I saw that. I actually saw that accident, the aftermath of that accident on the street in Vegas. Crazy. Honda Civic. I'm not really seeing... Here you go, for my Mustang people. Ouch. I don't know why they cut that, but okay. Maybe to try to get into the trunk. What's the mileage on it? Theft. Oh, it was a theft. Rear, total loss, stationary. So not running, huh? With gas prices going through the roof, y'all might want to get you one of these. The Civic. Oh, man. The back got nailed. Ouch. Ouch. That doesn't look good. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Damn. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just wanted to take a look at a couple different things that were coming up this week. I did not know that the Silverado, that the 2500 Duramax was actually coming up this week. So that's a nice little tidbit to check out. Something we might have to look at. And go ahead and see if I can go ahead and get on the wholesale account and go ahead and put a pre-bid on it for like 2500. I think that's what I'll be willing to pay for that truck. I know people are going to say it's worth more than that. I'm not, look, I don't overpay for stuff. I've told you guys this so many times. I just don't overpay for stuff. Never going to do it. Just, it's not worth it to me. But we'll take a look at it and see what happens, man. I want to thank all you guys for watching the videos while I am out of pocket. I truly appreciate it. I will get to all of the comments. If it's not me, I know like either the missus or somebody else might be in the comment section replying to y'all, man. And I promise I will get back onto the comments and respond to as many of y'all as possible as soon as I get home. But I don't know how many more of these little videos I got for you guys. I got to shoot like 5 or 6 of these today, so I can have little content for you guys spread out. But I want to thank you guys very much for watching the channel and supporting me and supporting TK's Garage. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, craziness, man. Before I go though, like I said, I need you guys to go tap in and check out my Homeboys comedy show. It is dropping March 18th right here in Las Vegas. And if you're interested in coming, I highly recommend it. Link will be in the description down below. You can buy tickets. They're cheap. They're 20 bucks. And featuring Steven Briggs, and then my dude Mike will be doing his very first official stand-up, and I can't wait to see it. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to see it because I know he's going to kill it. I know he's going to kill it. And if y'all, like I said, if you're in the Las Vegas area, Phoenix, LA, anywhere in this Western Hemisphere, come through. Come to the show. You got to do it. Link in the description down below. And we'll put the flyer here after the outro. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Whoopee!